Husband's washing the dishes. What you doing? Your sausage roll. Hello mga friends! Welcome sa akong video. Karon nga gabi, mayang gabi sa tanan. Hope nasa mayang panglawas ang tanan. Karon nga video, magluto ang akong banana og my chef mag-cook siya og what you gonna cook, ma'am? Sausage roll. Homemade sausage roll. So yan, yung pastry and then pork sausage and then, so first thing, open chef. So that's the pastry looks like. It's thick.
Puff pastry.
Puff pastry. It's a flour, made of flour.
It's already pre-done. Instead of making it.
Tree.
This is the easiest way.
The easiest way. You just make it sure it's clean.
Yeah, it's already clean, the bench.
Yeah, bench is clean.
You wash your hands.
You wash your hands.
Oh,
you need to cut the sausage?
No, I just need to cut the ends off so they're like this. So we put one.
That's a sausage roll.
See, now that's a sausage roll. See that? And then it's like normal sausage roll, it'll pop up. So, put that there. Actually, I might put some butter on that. Put it on my beautiful pizza tray that I've had for a century. Because then it won't stick to the tray.
That tray is the same age for my husband.
My favourite.
It's 65 years old.
There we go. So tray's ready. So we'll put that over there. And we'll put our sausage rolls here. So then we can cut them up after they're cooked.
So that's the only way how to make it?
I might cut them in like...
Half? Oh, that's simple like that?
Yeah. One sausage roll. We'll just do bite-sized ones. 1, 2.
Why too small?
Bite-sized.
That's only one bite from me.
Okay.
You see here?
Here we go.
Roll it. Wait.
You can call these pigs in a blanket.
Pigs in the blanket. Bobby making a pigs in the blanket. And the kodaker. So he will do it again. Same procedure. How do you learn it, darling? How do you learn it? Who taught you making this? From grandpa. And then you're gonna base it over with galing ni ating. Galing ni Afam. Ikaw ang chef ng buhay ko.
So budgie.
Huh?
This is a budgie way of doing it. You put no egg everywhere.
Budgie. What's that mean?
It means no good. It's not the best way to do it.
Yeah, because it makes the clean and sterile.
Need to put some hole.
So it breathes.
Breathe.
Mm.
chicken is not ready yet. That's
Remember sausage rolls? What are you thinking of? Please, don't.
Heard it, guys. After 30 minutes nasa oven, it's ready. Yum. Gonna make an apple turnover. Apple. Add Muna pie fruit apple slice. So it's making an apple turnover. So that's an apple in the can. So make it flat in the. Did you wash your hands?
Yes. Always, you gotta wash your hands.
Mr. Chef. Can you make blueberry apple?
And then sprinkle of cinnamon. Sprinkle. Sprinkle of sugar. And it's time to roll it. Roll a fold. It's time to fold it. It's done. Masarap to kasi made with love. Actually, you wanna go to the toilet? Yeah. The oven. I need to put an egg again. My Baba's homemade pineapple turnover and the pie. Yum.